It's every child's dream to ride a bike, but why stop at pedals? This BMW replica is seriously cool! This fully licensed BMW S1000RR motorbike is the safe, comfortable and thrilling way for children to get on two wheels and zip along at up to 3.2 miles per hour. Once charged, your child can enjoy up to 45 minutes of ride time, and it comes with stabilisers for enhanced safety and protection, and features stylish metallic red and white paint, electronic and pressure horns, and realistic engine startup sounds. The foam wheels provide comfort, whilst the high and low speed settings enable the rider to choose a pace perfect for their biking abilities. It's probably the most fun you can have on two wheels.